हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम जा रहे हैं फॉर अ शॉर्ट ट्रिप फ्रॉम शेफील्ड टू बोल्टन। हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं बाय ट्रेन एंड हमने ट्रेन का पास बनवा लिया है, सो इट इज़ चीपर देन द नॉर्मल यूजुअल टिकट्स। एंड यू कैन सी ऑल द स्नो ओवर हियर। इट इज़ इन द पार्ट ऑफ द पीक डिस्ट्रिक्ट विच इज़ इन शेफील्ड। हम जा रहे हैं मैनचेस्टर पिकेडेली यहाँ से। सो वी हैव रीच्ड द मैनचेस्टर पिकेडेली। यहाँ से हमारी कनेक्टिंग ट्रेन है टू बोल्टन। इट इज़ अराउंड अ 20 minute टाइम फॉर रीचिंग फ्रॉम मैनचेस्टर पिकेडेली टू बोल्टन। सो ये जो ट्रेन है इसमें वी वेंट टू बोल्टन एंड एज यू कैन सी मैनचेस्टर में बहुत बढ़िया बिल्डिंग्स हैं। इट्स क्वाइट गुड एंड नाउ वी हैव रीच्ड बोल्टन। दिस इज़ आउटसाइड द बोल्टन ट्रेन स्टेशन। छोटी सी सिटी है बट इट इज़ वेरी हिस्टोरिकल सिटी एंड एज वी आई हैड टू गो समवेयर फॉर माई वर्क, तो वहाँ पर जाने के लिए आई हैड टू क्रॉस द होल सिटी सेंटर एंड गो ओवर देयर। एज यू कैन सी दिस इज़ द सिटी सेंटर एंड यहाँ पर किड्स वर जस्ट skateboarding and we just came here to grab lunch. You can see many of the outlets over here. We had a lunch and then we proceeded to the Queen's Park. यहाँ पर we had to cross this park to reach the location where I needed to go. And it is a very historical park as well. It is one of the most oldest park founded in the UK. So you can see यहाँ पर ठंड भी इतनी ज़्यादा थी. You can see small patches of snow everywhere. The stream of water, it was totally frozen. You can see on the bridge also. यहाँ पर मैं फिसलने वाली थी. यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा बर्फ़ गिरी हुई थी. As you can see my camera shake because of that snow. And I was just exploring the city. It was really beautiful. The park was really beautiful क्योंकि यहाँ पर बहुत सारी ducks थी. There were people taking their dogs out for a walk and it was really beautiful but really really cold. So जैसे ही मेरा काम ख़त्म हुआ I thought of coming to the city center and exploring the Bolton Museum and Art Gallery. ये जो व्यू आपको सामने दिख रहा है this is used for the shooting in Peaky Blinders. इसका नाम है Layman's Crescent. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे फिल्म्स की भी शूटिंग होती है एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग इनसाइड द हिस्ट्री म्यूज़ियम. एज यू कैन सी ये साइड पर वेस्ट एंट्रेंस है बट वी वर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द मेन एंट्रेंस ऑफ द म्यूज़ियम. यहाँ से इट्स द मेन एंट्रेंस एंड इट्स ओपन 5 days a week from morning till evening. I think so it's around 10 to 5 that you can go in and like 5 o'clock जो history and art gallery है वो बंद हो जाती है but the museum the public library is opened up until 7 o'clock and it's a really huge library that they have got. You really must check it out. And here we are just going above. तो यहाँ पर जो है 3 sections है. One is the art gallery, one is the library, one is the Egyptian and one is the aquarium. And this is the museum shop. यहाँ से you can buy souvenirs for your family and friends. And you can see ये जो main entrance है एकदम centerpiece में they have put a skull of a dinosaur. I think that I'm hoping it's a dinosaur. I'm not that sure of. And now we'll go into the Egyptian part of the Bolton Museum. Samne, if you can see, they have put up pharaoh. I think so it's called a pharaoh. And all the other things, it was totally giving the full Egyptian vibes. You can see the dresses of the soldiers over there. And also there were mummies. I'll show it to you in the upcoming videos. And you can see there are many things related to the Egypt. Here you can see a small child mummy and an alligator mummy, though it was artificial. Here there were many collections of the Egyptian ruins that they had taken off and a timeline of the ancient Egypt, how Egyptians have evolved over the time. And these were all the markings and the writings they had done in the stone slab and they've gotten it directly from Egypt and it was preserved over here. And now we are going to the most exciting part of the museum. ये museum में mummy रखी थी and I wanted to really see that. This is the second mummy that I've seen in my life. Of course not counting my mother, but in general जो mummy होती है this is the second mummy that I've seen. पहली वाली मैंने कैलकाटा में देखी थी in the Natural History Museum of Calcutta and this mummy is named as the man who should not be named. और ये जो coffin है इसका नहीं है, ये coffin is of some other princess. So when this coffin was excavated The princess was not there, so this man was kept in it, and literally this whole vibe was really amazing. वहाँ का जो पूरा आर्किटेक्चर था आजू बाजू, it was having all the Egyptian writings. और यहाँ पर एक शो भी चल रहा था for a 2 minutes showing how the Egyptians have evolved. And यहाँ पर you can see these walls that have been brought from the tombs of the pyramids in Giza. And ये original walls of those tombs. As you can see यहाँ पर there are many caskets of mummies, जहाँ पर mummies को रखा जाता था in these caskets. And this is the second part of the museum. This is known as the Bolton's Art Gallery. I'm not very fond of art, तो यहाँ पर ज़्यादा मेरे समझने और एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए था नहीं. So I just went and saw some portraits and landscapes and after that I just came out from there because I had to go to the history section of Bolton. क्योंकि 5 बजे म्यूजियम बंद होने वाला था, मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं था, तो I had to cover the history section as well as the aquarium because of course I was more interested in the aquarium rather than the history of Bolton. पर history of Bolton में the major thing was this is where the spinning wheel was invented. यहाँ पर spinning wheel की एक बहुत major history है. I don't know much about it but there were many spinning wheels kept there और वहाँ पर spinning wheels की history भी लिखी गई थी. So I think that this is the main map of Bolton. You can point the Bolton and the major industries because Bolton was a major part in the industrial revolution. If you go to the first floor, यहाँ पर there were painting section and ये है पूरा neon light का paintings. It was looking really good, like these neon paintings, not paintings but lightings I would say, थोड़ा unique था for a museum to be. And then I went to the aquarium. I thought the aquarium would be really good but it really disappointed me. यहाँ पर as you can see like there are tiny fishes and it was not up to the mark I say. ये walkway के through I went inside and there were some fishes from India, South America, some stingrays that I saw. ये फिर भी ठीक था but not to the expectation that I had. And ये जो fishes हैं they were traveling from this South America to North America. Just joking guys, it was just a really boring aquarium that I visited. Like I really had much expectations but यहाँ पर 4 से 5 fishes थी and that's it, and it was really boring. And these stingrays are fascinating. इसके बाद we just left and came to the city center. यहाँ पर I think so ये यहाँ का city council है, what I got to know about. And as you can see यहाँ का weather कितना depressing है. It was really depressing that day because कोई sunlight नहीं थी and it was raining the whole day और ठंड भी इतनी ज़्यादा थी that I couldn't feel my legs, neither my hands. यहाँ पर बस we were sitting, we were chilling, we took coffee and we came back to the station and यहाँ से हम वापस we are waiting for the train to get back to Sheffield. और बस यही था मेरा दिन. And if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.